So it was like 37 tabs were open and nothing was getting completed. So when it came to using my Thrive and using my 3 steps, it was like all the things were completed. Everything was getting done quicker and on time. My friends, my family, my coworkers, they were like, "Are you the same girl?" And I was like, yes, it is this Thrive, y'all. Like, you have to try it, because when I tell you, not only the energy, I was sleeping better, my mood. My mom at the time was very, very happy that I was using these products. She was like, your mood, like, you're happy. And then it turned into being intentional with my life and being happy and doing the things that I should have been doing all along. But I didn't have the energy to do it. And it was just kind of one of those where, like, I just wanted to get through my day, and it was just kind of surviving. Just using the products, and went from surviving to thriving.